Hello friends, welcome back again to this amazing channel ZTech, and this is my store ZTech store. If you wanna buy something, then you can contact me on my social media. I will provide you that. Okay, so let's get started. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get your Chime account. So let me show you an account, and in case if you wanna buy that kind of account, you can contact me on my social media. So let's move forward to my account. Here you can see it's a Chime account. Let me open the app and let me show you in details. As you can see, this is my Chime account and this is my virtual credit card. I can use it on any site, and that's why people use Chime, because it provides a strong virtual credit card. This is my transaction history to show you that this account is working and my checking account is okay. Now let me show you the other details as well. In case if you wanna buy that account, you can just contact me on the social media links given on this screen, and I will provide you that in very low price. So just check the account and contact me and grab your account as soon as possible.